In today's video, we're taking a quick tour of the newly updated MikroTik website. We'll go step by step through three key areas: the homepage, the About section, and the account area, so you know exactly what each one offers. Welcome to the MikroTik homepage. We're going to scan it from top to bottom, so you know what's here and where to click when you need something fast. At the very top, you'll see the main menu. It includes 6 core sections, plus a search bar and an account link. If you hover over each menu item, a drop-down appears with subcategories, so you can jump straight to the exact page you want. Later in this video, we'll break down all subcategories in more detail. The search bar takes you directly to the hardware section, where you can find the products by searching for their names. Right under the top menu, you'll notice the main banner area. The homepage banner highlights the most recent MikroTik products. They're basically quick shortcuts. Click a banner to go straight to the product page. Below the banner is the hardware section. Here you'll see hardware categories. If you want the complete hardware catalog, click View All. We'll cover the hardware section more thoroughly on its own part of the video. Keep scrolling and you'll reach the video blog and newsletter sections. This section showcases MikroTik's video blog content. It's a good place to catch announcements, updates, and product-related videos. If you want to keep up regularly, it's worth subscribing to MikroTik's YouTube channel. Quick note from us at MikroTik Canada. If you like the MikroTik video blog, you'll probably like MikroTik Canada even more. We take the same kinds of topics and make them clearer and more practical with quick setup walkthroughs, real troubleshooting fixes, and simple explanations of features and updates. Subscribe for useful version without guesswork. Next is the newsletter section. This is where you can access the latest MikroTik release news and updates. If you want new posts delivered automatically, scroll further down the page and subscribe to the newsletter so you can get notified when new updates are published. Right after the newsletter, you'll find the software section. The links shown here are typically the most popular or trending software resources. Click View All to open the full software page. We'll cover the software section in detail in its own segment. Further down, you'll see the MikroTik Certified Training Program section. This area gives you direct access to key training resources and categories. One important link here is the training schedule, where you can browse upcoming training sessions worldwide, filtering by region, country, location, course type, and language. Another key link is MikroTik Academies. In short, it's where you go to see who's officially teaching MikroTik in the classroom-style setup. At the bottom of the homepage, you'll find a footer that repeats the main menu, but this time it's expanded to show the full list of subcategories in one place for quick access. Finally, the footer includes links to MikroTik's key social media platforms. These are the main official channels to follow for announcements, updates, and new releases. The About menu includes 4 subcategories: Contact, Company, Our Logo, and Vacancies. Both About and Company take you to the same company page, where MikroTik gives a short overview of who they are. It notes that MikroTik is a Latvian company founded in 1996 and headquartered in Riga, Latvia. The Contact Us page lists the main ways to reach MikroTik, including key company contact details such as their address and phone number. Clicking on Our Logo opens MikroTik's logo and brand guidelines. It explains the basic usage rules and provides official brand material for downloading. The Vacancies link takes you to MikroTik's career site, where you can browse open roles and apply. The page is written in Latvian, since it's focused on hiring only Latvian people. You can sign in with your MikroTik account or register to create one. And once you're logged in, you can access client-only services like router OS license details and training, or support tools that requires an account. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a complete understanding of the new MikroTik website. If there's anything, we appreciate your comments and feedback. So feel free to drop your questions and comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos.